Hello guys, welcome back to MBC. Today we are going to learn to make a simple Python program which can help us to encrypt and decrypt data. This is a very simple encrypt and decryptor since it only uses shift to move the letters here and there so that the one who doesn't know the shift key doesn't know how much the data has been shifted, so doesn't understand the encrypted data. So first we will need to create a function called Encrypted Decrypt. This can be any name you want, but I have chosen Encrypted Decrypt since it is simpler to understand. So we will write def encrypt decrypt, which creates the function. Then in brackets we will write text, shift and encrypt. Then encrypt is equal to true. This will be default true because in this program we will mainly encrypt the data. So these three values, text, shift and encrypt, these are the three values we are going to use to encrypt the data as well as decrypt it. Then we will create another variable called result, and this will be a empty string variable which can be used to get any variable inside it working as a container. So after that we are going to write for character in text. The short form of character is char, so I have written it as that. If char is equal to isalpha or isalpha brackets, the isalpha command is used to check if the variables are in letters or not. So after checking if the variables are letters or not, we are going to move to the next line and write shift amount is equal to shift if encrypt else minus shift. So the shift amount will be the shift key we are going to use, and this will determine the amount of shifting the words will have. So shift if encrypt, meaning if we encrypt the data, that is only when we encrypt it or shift it, or else when we decrypt data we minus shift or remove the shift command or reverse it. Then we are going to create another new character variable called new char or new character. In this variable we will write is equal to chr, which will determine the variable name, and then ord, which will make the user input into ASCII numbers which is needed to encrypt data. And then we are going to write in brackets again. Don't close the three brackets we started before. In the brackets we will write ord, then in brackets again a in inverted commas plus shift amount. This shift amount needs to be plus because that can only be plus because a will be taken as 0 and then b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2 and so on. And then we'll write %26 because there are 26 letters in the alphabet plus ord a because a is taken as 0 and we need to plus it so that we can return it to its original form, meaning letters. Then we'll write in the next line result plus new character.upper, which means it will create the new character into uppercase letters if character is from the first place in uppercase letters, or else it will lowercase them. That's why we have given if char.isupper. This will check if the letters are uppercase or lowercase. After that we are going to write else result plus char, which is the new variable we created in the first line for char in text. After that, we are going to write return. This will return the variable, the encrypted variable this time. The encrypted variable will be taken as in result because it was the container we used. This entire thing we wrote is the function we are going to use to encrypt or decrypt data. After that, we are going to make some variables like message. This will be the variable in which the user will put the data to encrypt or decrypt. After that, we are going to make another variable called shift key. The shift key variable will detonate the amount of shifting we need to do to the user input. After that, we are going to create another variable called Encrypted Text. This will be the variable which will show the user the encrypted text they have given to us. So, the variable will be encrypted text is equal encrypt decrypt, the function we created, then in brackets write message, the message the user has given to us, and then shift key, the amount of shifting we need to do. And after that, we are going to just print the variable to the user. After that, we are going to make another variable called Decrypted Text. As the name suggests, this is the variable which will help us to find the decrypted text. So, the decrypted text variable will be encrypt decrypt, the function we created, and then in brackets we'll write encrypted text. And then after that we're going to write shift key, and then finally the encrypt is equal to false. After that we can just point the decrypted text to the user by using the print command. That's the code done, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have managed to learn anything from this video. Now we can just save the program and then run it. As you can see, the code works just fine.